To know on how to connect Pabbly with Google Ads, the first thing is click the Create Workflow and type your preferred workflow name, and then click Create button. On the next page, search Google Ads, and then choose your preferred trigger event. Click Connect, and then click Connect with Google Ads, and then get your customer ID from your Google Ads app. It should be something like this. Then click Save, and then log in using your Google account. All right, now you know on how to connect Pabbly with Google Ads, and watch this playlist if you ever get stuck setting this up.